bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
What's up, my peeps? I'm gonna vlog. I was gonna start this vlog tomorrow, but I'm kind of busy tomorrow, so I probably won't vlog that much tomorrow. So in conclusion, I'm gonna vlog now. I put a questions thing on my Instagram, and someone said I should do a weekend vlog, which, I mean, I can do, but like it's not gonna be very fun because I work on the weekends and I can't film that or else I'll get fired, so. But I'm gonna change my sheets right now. But my name is Maddie. If you aren't subscribed, then why are you watching my video? Please subscribe. Like I would be very happy if you subscribed. So go do that and I will be very happy and I will love you for the rest of my life. Anyways, I already decorated for Christmas. I guess I can give you guys a little tour after I'm done making my bed because I haven't made my bed in like years. So we're gonna change my sheets and I'm gonna give you guys a time lapse and you guys are gonna love it. So hopefully. We can only hope. Okay, so here's the time lapse. Okay, I'm back. You might have seen a lot of like butt shots. Let's hope you weren't like staring at that. I wouldn't like that, but I mean if you have to. Anyways, I'm in my bed. I've had these dark sheets in a while. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of dark sheets, but I got these in my bed because they match with my bed skirt and everything else. Anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my room. I'm very tired right now. So I did a lot of TikTok dances yesterday that I did not publish, so don't go looking because they are not there. And I hurt my thighs very bad, and needless to say, I was doing the WAP and I hurt myself. So I'm not gonna tell you anything else about that. Only specified and classified people are able to see my WAP, and it's not you guys, so don't be asking because you're not gonna get it. Anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a little Christmas tour, if you want to say, and show you everything I put around my room that's Christmassy. I mean, why not? Let's go. Alright, so this is what you see when you come into my room. First of all, you're gonna see this blanket. I just bought it today, and it's so cute. It's a little hedgehog blanket, and I'm obsessed with it. I didn't know that this was at Walmart for $10, by the way. It's so soft, but I saw this one and I was like, yes, I'm obsessed with little tiny rodents. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know. I mean, I might be obsessed with little tiny rodents. I'm not sure though. And then I have a miniature Christmas tree because I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. And then I have all my lights. Obviously, those have been up year round. I added a cute little Christmas hat. And I have these two, I guess you could say garlands. There are two on both sides of my room, and they're really cute. I have a snowman that lights up, but right now he's not on. And then I have my dog trying to get comfortable. Penny, are you okay? Then I have my tree. This is new. And if you're not following my Instagram, go follow it, by the way. But I posted on there that I needed pink ornaments, so I got the pink ornaments. Then I also have a little stocking. I'm obsessed with this little tree. I think it's so cute. So that's what we got going on with my tree. Yeah, I think that's all I have, but usually if I just have that little Christmas tree right there, it's not enough and it doesn't look like Christmas and it's kind of depressing. So I wanted to add something more. So I added that little Christmas tree and I love it. I got it from Dollar Tree for $20. It's a flocked Christmas tree from Dollar Tree for $20. So totally recommend it. I also got the ornaments. I think they were probably about $10. Yeah, $10. So yeah, and I got the star from Dollar General and I got the little tree skirt from Dollar General, but you can't see it because all my dog's toys are into it. Anyways, I don't think I'm gonna vlog tonight again because that'll be boring and you guys don't want to see that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, bye. Mitchell, say hi to my vlog. Mitchell, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. I'm actually vlogging today. I got Chick-fil-A. Gosh, look how yummy. I'm an ESL, so we finna go and do that right now. I have a fun hip story. I left my mic on when I was walking in here and I embarrassed the crap out of myself. I didn't say anything bad, but I just got the Rona on tape. Say hi. I'm gonna get copyrighted, so I have to go. Say hi.
Maddie, 10 seconds. Stop the video.
Oh god, copyrighted. We're back at home. We're gonna try to go to Bath & Body Works and PetSmart and Old Navy to get masks, so I might be able to give you guys a haul when I get back, or I'll vlog in there if I remember. So just remember to update you guys.
What are you doing?
Hello, it's been a bit because I've been like out and stuff, but I wanted to do a little haul because I just got back. So yeah, I did not vlog at shops. I'm not good at vlogging in public, and also I forgot to, so I thought like I was avoiding it. But first place we went was to Old Navy. I love their masks, and we got a lot. I got these Christmas ones last time, but we picked up a lot. I'll go through them really quick. I have this pink camo one. Pink camo. And then I have this cream one. And then this pink marble one, which I really like. Just a regular pink one. This one's really cute. This is the one that made me want to get the pack. Gray, but it was supposed to be black. So a white and black polka dot one. A regular gray one. And a zebra print one. And I also have in my actual like backpack that I take places, I have a Christmas, it looks like this one, this is a cat one, but it's a Christmas dog mask. I have that in there, and I also have a leopard print one in there. And then I have this candy cane one with candy canes on it. So those are the ones that I got. I love these. We won't be needing them anytime soon. I really like them because I have these adjustable ones and they don't make my glasses fog up. That's nice. Okay, so now I have Bath & Body Works. I first got one of these in snowflakes and cashmere. I was really sad because I wanted a winter candy apple one, but they didn't have that one in a moisturizing body. I didn't get a spray winter candy apple, which is a little bit sad, but I have that one, so we're just gonna have to use it wisely. So, and then we got hand soaps. We got a winter candy apple hand soap. We got a toasted vanilla chai hand soap, a snowy peach berry hand soap, vanilla bean Noel, frosted cranberry, and finally iced cinnamon rolls. And then we got wall plugs. We got 2 winter candy apples because I could never go low on those, a frosted cranberry, and vanilla bean Noel, and fresh sparkling snow. I made a mistake. I accidentally got this frosted cranberry one instead of the winter candy apple. Honestly, I don't really care. I just love winter candy apple, so it's a little bit disappointing. This one must be apple toddy. That's a little disappointing. I thought I got 2 winter candy apples, but it gets us a mixture, a plethora, if you will, of our smells. So yeah, but we're getting our floors done Monday. So for you, well, it's Friday right now. This vlog will probably go up on Monday, I'm guessing, or maybe Sunday if I can, but they'll be done by, I don't know when they're gonna be done, but yeah. So I'm gonna go put this stuff up, and I'll get back to you guys when I have something fun to show you, I guess. Hi. We're gonna go to dinner at Chili's.
Don't edit this out of the video, okay?
You can do that one TikTok trend that the dogs. Honestly, I want to show you guys what we renovated to our bathroom because I never showed anybody. So we have this nice navy blue thing here. And then we have this IKEA plant, and then we have these cute little gray towels that avoid that's my foundation, the next thing on it. Got these from Target. And then in here we have the nicest bath rug ever. It's amazing. And then I have this gray toilet sheet cover. I can try to insert a picture in here. I mean a video of like what our bathroom looked before. It was hideous and I hated it. It wasn't hideous, but it was just childish. And then we got the cutest shower curtain from Target as well. And it's so cute. It's adorable. And then we also got some plain gray towels for us. So, needless to say, I'm obsessed. And I also put winter candy apple wall plug in here, and it smells so good. We're gonna go to dinner. I can try to vlog at dinner, but probably won't happen knowing myself. We'll see. Maybe it will. So, if it does, then it'll be the next clip. If it doesn't, it'll be me when I get home. Also, I don't want to be like I eat out all the time, but we are eating out a lot because our stovetop is broken. So, story time for that later if you want that. So, bye.
What's good, homies? I'm in my crib. I got...
What's your favorite dishwasher to use?
Dishwasher. I play on a computer that runs like an LG.
Okay, let's look inside of it.
Oh.
Whoa, we
That's
cannot
high-tech.
relate.
Oh, it says
Let's
10,
go look
it
at
says
these
10
bathrooms.
It says $10.
Oh, it's a kitchen. Let's go to this. Is this your favorite kitchen right here?
Yeah, this is my kitchen.
This is a wow, Mitchell. Your house is nice. Oh, you don't really have that much in your fridge though.
No, I do. Look.
Oh, eggs.
Pickles, tomatoes, bunch of nasty
Oh,
stuff
okay.
down there.
Wow, and you can have gallons of space. Wow. What else is in here? Oh, one of those nice dishwashers.
Pull that lever you want. No, the other one.
Oh, it doesn't work. Wow.
Chicken crispy crispers. Why are you vlogging?
Because you look nice. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hello.
Say, shout out your channel.
What's my channel? What do you mean?
Shout it out.
What's a channel?
Your YouTube channel or your Twitter. Hey guys, I just wanted to update you guys on what I was doing. The last time I vlogged was when I was at Chili's. I'm actually doing really good with this vlog stuff, to be honest, because I usually don't vlog in public, but my family has been like wanting to be in the vlog, so I vlogged in public. Now I'm just gonna chill. I think I'm gonna edit this video ahead of time. It's still gonna be going, but I like to edit my videos as I go. I'm probably just gonna watch some Emma Chamberlain, some other YouTubers, and drink my Sonic slush that I left in the fridge while I was gone. That's it. And I didn't tell you guys, but I don't work this weekend, which is insane. I've been working for the past 2 months on the weekends at 7 in the morning, and so it's gonna be nice to sleep in the morning. Gotta admit it, it's gonna be very nice. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna be doing a lot of organizing tomorrow. I'm also gonna try to slide on some makeup and a cute outfit, and I'm gonna try to film a Christmas intro. So if you guys saw a Christmas intro at the beginning of this video, that's how you know I got ready. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up, you guys? So I just did my makeup. It doesn't look the best, especially my contour. I was trying to do an intro actually, and get ready with me, and it did not go well. It made me do my makeup worse actually. So I am not fully ready, but I'm gonna go driving with my dad. I'm 17 and I don't have my license yet. Don't judge me. I've taken things slow and I'm very thankful that I have. So I'm gonna go driving with my dad today. I'm a good driver. It's not like I'm learning how to drive today. I've been driving for about 1.5 years. Like I said, I've been taking it slow. Started driving when I was 15, so it's been about 2 years, I would say. So yeah, I've been driving for a bit, so I have my driving test very, very, very soon. And so I'm gonna go and practice parallel parking today. I have parallel parked before. I parallel parked a lot actually, and I'm pretty good at it, but I just want to get it down so I feel confident with it, because I know that's what I worry about most on the test. I don't know about y'all, but that's what I worry about most. So I'm gonna go do that, and also I may go to Kroger, so I might pick up some Starbucks too. I don't know why I want it so bad today, but I kind of want a pink drink or pumpkin cream cold brew if it's still there. So I'm gonna try to do that today. We will see to get dressed. And I guess I update you guys when something fun happens. When I get home, I'm probably going to spice up my makeup a little bit, put some lashes on, put my contacts in, put some more eyeshadow on, and do my hair. It's already partially done because all I have to do is take these out. And then I'm going to try to film a Christmas intro. So we'll see. One step is taken and we got ready today. So that was the first step in filming the intro. So I will update you guys when something interesting and fun happens. So see you guys then. Hi guys, I'm home. I got Starbucks. So I tried the pumpkin cream cold brew because I watch Laura Norris on YouTube. And I actually had to put it in a bigger cup because they put too much, and I think they put iced coffee in it instead of cold brew, which I wanted a cold brew, but I just don't. It just tastes like black coffee to me. Obviously it's not, but it does. I don't think they made it right either because I got it and the coffee at the bottom was black. Usually when I see it, it's like creamy at the bottom, but it wasn't. Anyways, I'm gonna spice up my makeup and y'all are gonna see me in a second, and I'm gonna be all glowed up and we're gonna make this intro, so here it is. I'm back. Wow, don't I look really cool? Honestly, I'm not really sure about this look. I'm not really sure about what I'm wearing either, but I'm gonna try to film an intro. I'm gonna try to set this up where it's like cute over here, and I don't know what I'm gonna do for it. I don't know. So, I mean, I can, you'll see at the beginning of this video if it did work out, but I'm gonna try to do that. And I'm also gonna try to take some cute, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but maybe some cute Christmas photos that I can update my profile picture with. So if it works, you'll see. If it doesn't, you won't. So yeah, here's my makeup look. I'm actually really proud of it. Okay, I'm gonna set everything up and we'll see how this works. I'm here. Oh my god. But oh crap, hold on. Alexa, turn volume down to 1. You're cutting most of that out. Hold on, I'm gonna turn it down. So everything's going good. I just made like a tiny little intro type thing. So I'm gonna try to edit it, and I found an intro song as well. So I'm gonna try to edit that. And now I'm gonna take some cute little Christmas pics. I'll see you guys later. I just finished taking photos. I think they turned out really cute. So I am going to take a shower most likely because I want to get this makeup off. I know I've had it on for maybe an hour, but that's usually what I do anyways. I just want to take photos. I'm obsessed with this background with the tree right there. I might have to do a couple videos like that. So sorry, my rats were like wrestling standing up, but I took some really cute photos and I can't wait to edit them. They're so cute and I cannot wait. And I also can't wait to edit this intro. So I'm gonna do all that after I take my shower. So I'm gonna go take my shower and then I will see you guys after, I guess. Okay, so it's been a while. It's actually 51. Hold on, let me turn on my light. It's 6:51 and yeah, I've gone to Chick-fil-A. I got this. It's a frosted coffee. I wanted a good coffee to make up for the one that I had earlier. It kind of looked like I was bashing Starbucks, but I love Starbucks. But the next time I'll probably vlog will be tomorrow, so I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. My intro did work out. It's at the beginning of this video. I'm not in love with it, but I love it. That made no sense. But I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and that'll be the last day I vlog, so see you guys tomorrow. Hello. I forgot to vlog this morning, but now I am. And your favorite person is here. Mitchell, shout out your YouTube.
No, just link it down below.
I have to shout it out so I can put it there.
No.
So I guess he's not getting any subscribers, and I'm gonna get a ton.
I already have more than you, bro.
Well, this video is gonna get me so many subscribers.
Oh,
so.
really?
Why, Maddie? Go down below and hit the big red subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notifications anytime I upload. Well, I'm at church. I got donut. Oh, no. I also got Sunny D, so yeah, see y'all later. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hey, thanks a lot.
You're gonna get sued. FBI.
Oh, I just on a commercial.
All right. All good. All good.
Yeah, that's all. Hello, I know it's been a while, but I just wanted to come out on here and end the vlog. It's been a long time since I vlogged. It's now like 6 o'clock, but we've been really busy. We're starting to move everything into the garage so we can get our floors done. So I'm gonna go ahead and end out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, then like and subscribe and hit that big bell to get notifications anytime I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.